Okay. So good afternoon, everyone. My name is Wright from MicroBT. I came from RD teams, and right now I take responsibilities for sales teams. So my topic is about how we can just help to make mining easier. So right now it's not easy to say that make minings would be a easy things. Actually, mining become a specialized maybe things for everyone. So we do not need to just take from one perspective. We need to just look all perspectives, and we just want to do everything perfect. So this means, we need to think about, currently, mining could become the fun, management. Actually, as you know, even you set up the standard for minings, even you understand the codifications for minings, you still need to do the customized based on your scenarios. So it's quite, maybe good if anyone think about how to just achieve your object. Actually, from your ideas, you need to spend a lot of times to study whether your ideas is achievable or not. So first thing you need to just maybe analyze this or simulate your algorithm and just understand whether it's a feasible plan for that. Of course, you need to make it real. And after that, you need to verify it and just maybe do everything, as what you want. And from the real feedback, you can just think about how to, maybe just optimizations and do better in the futures. So this is the things I think to share with everyone today. And of course, maybe right now, I would like to share the first part from our customers. As you know, the first thing is very important. If you have a plan, if you have an object, you cannot just maybe miss the timing windows to get your miners. So how you can just get miners on time? This is the questions for everyone. And maybe based on our studies, most of US customers like to get the productions in US. So we started our productions in US maybe 3 years ago. Right now, we are so confident to just offer such kind of productions in US. And of course, you can see that they have a lot of advantage if you can just maybe get the productions in US. The first thing is, of course, you can easy to reduce the total cost. Actually, right now, yes, the total tariff would be reached over 40%. So if you can get the maybe productions in US, it means yes, you can just almost maybe 50% cut, by such kind of delivery. Of course, if we can set up such kind of localization, delivery, it almost helped you to get the maybe confidence to support from all perspective. Like you can get the parts easily, and like you can just get the support maybe in time. So besides that, we can also think about maybe longer to drive the long-term localizations. We would also help the local investors, like the maybe such kind of local label for the productions, and help anyone to get the maybe such kind of made in US table miners for that. Not only for the minings, but also for the whole economics, for the maybe performance and for your investors. So right now, MicroBT just spent 3 years on the US productions. Of course, we would like to just expand our capacities according to your demands. And of course, we would just heard what you like to do in the futures. The next part, I would like to just introduce the innovation manager. Actually, as you know, MicroBT is maybe technical oriented companies. We always focused on Bitcoin miners. It means we need to just maybe do the best. Our core philosophy is just do everything perfect. So we always like to just maybe hand over the things to different profession teams. Right now, everyone just know about that. Maybe besides the air coolings, we still have a lot of other applications like the immersion cooling systems and such kind of hydro cooling systems. So how we can just maybe provide good solutions, not just workable solutions. We need to just help anyone to find the high quality solutions. This is our object. So right now, please see that in maybe 3 years ago, we also initialized the first associations, for the ecosystems. And right now, we just started the next project. You can find easily from our booth. We invite any solution providers come to us. We can discuss together, and we will help them to understand how to just adopt our miners from their side. And of course, we can just help our customers to combine their solutions with our maybe miners together to get high quality solutions. So it's much easy to just maybe understand our purpose for that. And right now we have some examples. We just development the first generation of the high temperature resistance systems. Actually, from the beginning, if you just miners, it does not make sense yet to just have such kind of high temperature from the outlet. But right now, if you have other applications, such as building heating or some other applications, it do make sense to do that. So we need to just work with all kind of suppliers to achieve it. And right now, please say that, from your side, you can just find all kind of third part, to help you meet your target, meet your requirement. Also, just integrate our solutions together. I will introduce the maybe 80-degree, 30-degree output, outlet solutions later for that. And right now, if you are maybe solution providers, if you are have good ideas how to work with us and how to just bring values to your customers, if you need technical help, please just contact with us. We like to work with you, and we like to just support you to just maybe finish the high quality solutions. This is only two steps. The first step is MicroBT would provide the materials template, for you to just maybe understand what's the key point, what's the key requirement and the suggestions what you like to have. And also we will help you to just maybe find some solutions to finalize your maybe such kind of systems and just meet your target. So these two steps would just help everyone, to become our partners. With more partners, just in the futures, we would be confident to deliver customized solutions based on your requirement. So this is something we see that, fund management. Actually, besides the standardization, besides the quantization, the most important things is the customizations. So if you can just do everything customizations, you would just maybe get the best solutions at your end. The next part, I would just give two examples for that. The first examples is just high temperature resistance systems. Actually, it's not just from the beginning. From the beginning, we start to think about give solutions only for the minings. So we do not need such kind of higher temperatures from the outlet. Actually, from the first part, we only offered 150 Fahrenheit degrees for the minings. But after we have some feedback from the solution providers, they say that, we can just maybe reduce or reuse the heatings together. And it's much important for them to just have such kind of to meet the ESG requirement or even just make money from the heating recycling. So we just move the next phase. We just try to maybe improve or have the higher temperatures, like the 158 Fahrenheit degrees. And at that phase, we just maybe think, this would be a challenge for us to move ahead. But after, our customer just see that if you can just increase a little bit, you do not need any association, maybe heating bowlings for that. you can just direct use your maybe solutions to do the heating, recycling, or just do the building heatings. So we try our best to move the next phase. And right now, yeah, you can select the next phase would be the 176 Fahrenheit degrees. Yeah, after that, it's much, yeah, maybe helpful for anyone to do such kind of heating, recycling, and some applications. Yeah, you can see that from the tables. Yeah, it's much easy to understand that they have another revenues from the heating recycling. Yeah, and of course, yeah, if you just maybe do the minings, you will see that you cannot get anything, from the such kind of mining object. But if you can do the minings, with heating recycling, you can also just support, maybe the residence heatings. And of course, you can easy to get the 40 or almost 5,000 US dollars per days based on the heating recycling. So the key conclusion is, maybe right now, if you want to do the heating recycling, if you want to just maybe move to some other requirement, we are one of your good partners, work together. And also we can just work with your maybe partners, to work together and find the high quality solutions to meet your target. Of course, this you can just read the news from the medias, and you can just visit this site in Finland. After that, if you just have such kind of applications, like the maybe such kinds of the feedings, the heating, recycling, and the maybe the green agricultures, greenhouse, you can also find some solutions providers, at our booth. We can easy to work with you and just define such kind of solutions only for your scenarios. This is quite important, I think. So without such kind of maybe divisions, without such kind of object, it's not easy to you just maybe find the solutions all in one from one vendors. So this is some things I think the first examples I would like to share for the ecosystem's benefit. The next one, I think I would just introduce the other part is our solar minings. The next solar minings, I think everyone knows that right now it's not easy to get the cheaper, maybe cost of powers. So how we can just maybe start our minings without maybe such kind of low power cost. We may just think about to invest the plant by ourselves. Right now, the solar power minings would be a good, just solutions for that. So we just start to think about that. Compared to the other applications, of course, this time we also bring the total new solutions, not just maybe workable solutions. That means we realized if you just adopt the solar PIDER miners, it means, you would just maybe hope to get the higher efficiency based on the solar panels. And the solar panels only offer the DC from the panels. So we need to just redesign our PSU to just dominate or support DC directly. This is the roughly ideas what we think about that. So we start from this object, and we try to just start from the redesign our miners. And of course, right now you can see that we are ready to release the totally DC solutions for that. If you can just set up off-grid mode systems based on your maybe own solar panels, you cannot do any, you may not need too much changes for that. You can easy to connect with our DC systems. And you can see that besides the DC systems, we also started how to just maybe help you to make perfect on these solutions. This means, we need to just check about the maybe how we can just management or just set up the strategies on the minings for that. From this chart, you can see that this is just a daily, maybe energy generations from the powers. And of course, you need to just maybe based on such kind of studies to fulfill your battery and also just maybe support your daily maintenance or daily operations. And we just maybe helped you to calculate which part would be better, for the daily operations, and which part, what times we can start to charge for your batteries. And when we do not have such kind of suppliers from the solar panels, we can reuse the batteries to support your daily suppliers. So this is some things I think you can easy to understand what we do right now. And this is not just a workable solutions. This is some things we can be confident to see that we even can just make perfect maximally, based on our solutions. So right now, we also give some layout or just a print for such kind of off-grid systems. You can see that you can only need 3 parts for these solutions. The first part is the solar panels. You need to get the maybe such kind of energies based on the solar panels. And after that, you would have maybe need energy storage battery containers. It means when we do not have such kind of energies, you need to just support your daily minings based on such kind of battery systems. And after that, everyone knows that we will have mining systems. Of course, this mining systems is not just the traditional one. This is just a customized one. And of course, currently we just adopt the DCs instead of the ACs for that. So right now you can see that, maybe Dr. Yang just released the solar panel minings maybe last year. And right now we have already just launched our first, maybe DC miners here. And of course, this is a DC bus corps power suppliers. And on the tops, you can see that is the breakers, to just control the miners. And in the middle of this box, it's just the unit of the MPPT, the maximum power point tracking systems. And will help you to just do the loading balance between the such kind of solar panels with the batteries. And at the end, you will see this is some DC, DC, miners. And of course, for this simple, maybe racks, you can put it into the maybe cabinet outdoor, or you can just install it at the warehouse where you like to install or do your solar panels. So I think the time is short. I have too much things like to share, but today, please just visit our booth. We like to just introduce more these times. And if you want to just join us for the minings, for the solution providers, for the partners, you can just send emails to our marketing at microbt.com. For anything else, you can just contact with our sales. So I think if anything, you like to know more, please come to visit us. Our booth is 393. Thank you.